Why don't you stay? I know it's late, but I'm feeling great, and you feel the same.
Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my
I need you to stay.
Hey y'all, it's Angie Rush here, or Angel, where works best for you. I'm a liar because I said I was coming back, but a girl got stressed. We're back now. If you haven't yet, don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? So, if you know me, you know that the weekends are for organizing and reconstructing my life, okay? So today I am going to do that. I get stressed throughout the week. I throw all my clothes everywhere. I forget to eat, all of that. So weekends are kind of like a breather to reconstruct my life, reorganize my life, and I'd love to take you guys with that to me today. I'm gonna be cleaning my room, cleaning up my bathroom a little bit, doing a little squeaky clean, because like the best thing is to like wake up to a clean room. It's Saturday today, so I'm gonna get everything done today. I got laundry, a bunch of stuff, and then I'm going to show you guys how I organize my classes for the week, and it's super helpful, and I would love to have you guys organize with me, you know? Okay, so I would like to show you guys my room. This is indeed what we're working with. It's literally just clothes, and I am aware that it's not that bad. It could be worse, but it's a week worth of clothes. I have laundry that I need to do, and I'm excited, and I just want to watch my show and clean my house with me. Just like my room, I just want to like organize, and I love like seeing the organization. You know, I know those been in lately, and then I'd love to show you guys how I organize my classes for the week, because it's super helpful just getting everything laid out and not making my mind seem crazy, you know? I'm burning hot. I need to make myself some juice, but let's get to reconstructing my life. Hello, it is Sunday. My life is, I feel great. I can smell the aroma of my candle, but right now I just wanted to show you guys, ended off on how I organize my classes. Maybe this will be helpful for anybody. If it is, if it's not, I don't know, sorry. So I'm actually taking 6 classes this semester. My 6th class starts in the middle of October, so I just have 5 classes right now, which is such, like, it feels amazing. I love that. Well, how I organize my classes, I can show you guys some of how it looks. It sometimes looks a little crazy, but not as crazy as like most people's agendas, I feel like. I really just kind of put mine, my agendas don't look that bad, I feel like. But basically how I organize is I go through the list of things that are coming up, and I just literally just write them, and I usually just put them all on Mondays, and then I just cross it out on Mondays. I'm not one to really write like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I just kind of put them all on one day. I think that has helped me more, and organizing my classes has helped unscramble my mind, you know, so my dates, because I used to not organize my classes and I was stressed. Not that I'm less stressed, but I'm less stressed, you know. Okay, so my first class is a seminar. We don't really do much in that class. It's just kind of talking, so I'll just put my SEM. There's not much, literally, like I just said, there's not much usually for this class. It's just like a discussion, military families, so I just kind of listen, but I still put a little mark just in case there's like a discussion I have to put, because sometimes we'll just have random discussions or summary posts, so we'll see. As the week goes by, I'll also fill these things in. Actually, the best time to do this is Mondays because everything gets distributed out. So visual arts, I know I have a test, an exam, and a quiz coming up, and then a discussion. So, and the discussions are due on Sunday, so I'm gonna write that down. Next, I have my first responders to deaf community because I'm doing ASL. I study all day for that. I need to study more today, but for that I have something due on Tuesday that I'm going to write down. I think there's gonna be a quiz on Tuesday, so I definitely have to study. BRB, my smoothie is here. My smoothie game, it's in the fridge because I'm waiting for another meal, but I had to go pick it up, so obviously I had to get a little dressed. So this is due Tuesday, so that's when I take out a trusty highlighter and just notify myself, you know. What else do we got? And study. There's a test and I'd love to get an A on it, you know. So Reach Deaf Culture, this is the easiest class ever, and everything is due on Sunday on this class. And then the last class, yay, is Film Appreciation, and I have a due date tomorrow. And that's all I can do today. You see, it's pretty small, but of course as the weeks go by, these get filled in a little more. It gets a little sloppy. It can look like this, you know, it can get a little sloppy in there. And then as I go, I cross them out, you know. I usually put the weeks up here just because it makes it easier for me, but I don't know what week we're on, so I guess we're not doing that. That's how I organize my classes, and that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me organize my life, because this is so helpful on weekends. Weekends are really for recharging. Like literally, they're so helpful for me to recharge, and it's how I just get back into it. Like, look forward to weekends because I just can relax, but I also look forward to going back Monday because I go back to working with my babies, and I miss my babies at work, you know. I miss them on weekends. It's crazy. But that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Mwah. I'm trying to do at least videos every Monday and Wednesday shorts because I think that's easier for my schedule, but we'll see. Bear with me. I know I've been really bad at this, but the adjustment back was harder than I thought it was gonna be, just because I was coming back after like a year and stuff. So it was, and then I had COVID and it just kind of fucked with me. So it was harder than I expected it to be, but we have survived. I feel great. I like never want to leave. Like I'm at that stage right now where I'm just like so comfortable, and I booked my flight to Atlanta to see with my sister, my brother-in-law, my niecey for Thanksgiving, and I'm just so excited. I have something to like look forward to other than like going home for Christmas, you know. But yeah, remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love, and it's not goodbye, it's see you later. Bye guys.
Recharge your time. Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.